Hi dear friends, today I thought to share CGI interview process with you. So guys, if you are trying for a job change, please update your LinkedIn and Naukri profile and apply the jobs. One more tip is if you are making any small changes in Naukri daily, it will help to highlight your profile. So even if you don't have any changes in your profile, just do some update in your profile details like do some spelling changes or add some spaces and then update your Naukri profile. If you are in notice period, please mention the same in your LinkedIn and Naukri profile. So dear friends, I applied for CGI through LinkedIn and overall process took maximum of 2.5 weeks for me. Initially I got call from recruiter and discussed regarding my skills, experience, current salary, expected salary, etc. And they fixed the date for the first level of interview. So total it was 3 technical round and 1 manager round and HR discussion. So we can see 5 level was there. So the first interview was virtual and it was complete technical, and the interviewer was so cool and didn't make the tensionful atmosphere. It took around 30 minutes and I answered 85% of question. At the end of the interview, you don't miss to utilize the time and ask some question to the interviewer. Like you can ask what is the role or which type of project, what are all the technology we are using in that project. That type of question you can ask. Based on the answer, how he is discussing about the role and designation, you can understand the result of your interview also. If he is talking very positively and discussing more about your designation, definitely you pass at the interview. And next working day itself, I got the update that I passed the interview, and they asked me to share my UAN details as well as the service history. Both you will get from the EPFO site. As I was interviewed for a client project, there was a delay for the next round based on the panel availability. So I attended the first round in one Saturday and next round was scheduled for the next Monday. Second round also was purely technical round and same schedule like 30 minutes only the interview, and it was completely technical. More deeply they asked some questions. They asked to solve some problematic question also, as I was applying for software development position. And the interview was taken at 10 a.m. and it completed after 10:45, like in between 10:30 and 10:45, because last some 10 minutes I discussed about my role and my responsibility in the project. And by 12 I got the update that I passed at the interview, and they informed me that next will be one client round, so I have to visit the facility because it is face to face. So I attended the interview in CGI facility Bangalore, and it was client round. In that session, one person was available from the project side, that is client side, and 2 other person from the CGI itself who's working in the same project. This round was taken more than 1 hour for me. They asked most of the questions regarding my skills based on their project requirement. So what are all things they are using in the project? Based on they asked me the question, and it was also very cool. And I answered I think 80 to 85% of the questions only. So the same day after my interview, manager round was there. In the manager round also it took around 45 to 1 hour. Based on, like, I was asking them questions regarding the project, company, my roles, their experience. That is why it took some more time for these last 2 rounds for me. So in the manager round also the discussion was both behavioral and technical. That was a technical person also, but not like syntax or anything, just one high level of our experience. In that way they asked, and some behavior questions also was there. It was also well and good. And after that HR discussion was happened. HR discussion was very friendly. I am first time seeing some HR is discussing all the company policy and compensation plan in a patient way. She explained each and every component in my salary slip very well and good, and I was feeling very happy because previously I didn't get such an experience. And the overall interview process was very smooth and fast, and the support from the HR or recruiter level is also very good. Normally, if you are attending any interview, you are connecting to HR or recruiters, that respond or that communication will be poor. But in CGI, it is more flexible, more friendly. Everything they are doing in a fast and well manner. So the overall experience was very good. And CGI is one of the best Canadian company. So it is Canadian, so that we can avoid the layoff and other financial related issues compared to other companies. And it is more flexible, and the work is hybrid. 2 days we have to visit the office. So the interview questions which I faced during these 5 levels, I will do in another video. I was interviewed for a full stack developer, and the skill required for that designation was Azure, .NET Core, C# and Angular. So I will do another separate video for the interview questions. So if you are trying for any interview or job change, all the very best for your job and future. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you feel it is useful, please subscribe my channel.